Hey guys, Credit Repair Co. is back again with another video for you today. Today I'm going to show you a client that we did a lot of work for, and his score jumped up an amazing 85 points. So as you can see here, he had fair credit, 656. Let me scroll down. He had 2 late payments and 1 collection account on his account, and also 21 credit inquiries, as you can see here. So this was his credit when we first started working with him. Again, 1 collection account, 2 late payments, and 21 credit inquiries. So let me show you his most recent credit report. Okay, and as you can see here, he is now a 741 with very good credit. And again, his previous credit report was a 656. So he went up 85 points, which is amazing. As you can see here, we were able to clean up his credit report. We removed his late payments and also his collection accounts. And we were also able to remove his credit inquiries. So again, Credit Report Co. is here. We can help with late payments, collection accounts, inquiry removals. We also have a funding assistance program that we can help you with getting funding for a personal or business loan. So again, Credit Repair Co., we can help you with all of your credit report needs. Don't ever give up hope or think that you won't be able to clean up your credit report. There are ways, and we are here to help you. Thanks again, guys. Bye.